Hello everyone, welcome to the class by Sister Josephine. I'm going to deal today with class 5 English 2 lesson 1 part 3. Recap. In the previous classes we studied about the family of Mud and their perfect happy life led by his father Silverback. Of course we knew that his life was a happy life with his family. We also learned about the arrival of humans and the capture of Mud and his twin sister Tad. We learned about how they were captured and taken to some other place. Today, we shall continue the same lesson and learn about Mud, who turned into Ivan, and his life with humans. The next heading, the temporary human, page number 5 and 6. It was Mac who opened that crate, Mac who took me, and Mac who raised me like a human baby. Here we see a new person in the life of Ivan. Now, Mac was the one who adopted Ivan and named him also as Ivan, and he took him to his home and he brought him up like a human baby. I drank from a bottle. I slept in human beds, sat in human chairs, listened while human words swarmed around me like angry birds, which means he drank milk and water from the bottles. He slept on the beds as we sleep. He was sitting on the chairs as we sit. Listened while human words swarmed around me like angry birds, which means he did not understand the words of human beings, but it was sounding for him something like a crowded angry birds swarming around him. That's what he means. Here we see Ivan with his new family, with Mac's family. Mac's wife, Helen, was quick to laugh, but quick to anger too, especially when I broke something, which was often. Of course, it is very natural. Mac's wife, Helen, was happy to have him at their house, but she was very angry whenever he did some mischievous things. Now, what are the things he did? Let us see. I broke the blender when I squeezed 3 tubes of toothpaste and a bottle of glue into it. He broke the blender. Why did he break? Because he squeezed into his 3 tubes of toothpaste and a bottle of glue. Naturally, the blender will break. I broke my toes attempting to swing from a lamp fixture on the ceiling. It is the nature of the gorillas to swing from tree to tree or to jump from place to place. So, he attempted to swing from the lamp fixture and fell and broke his toes. I broke 46 glasses, not 1 or 2, 46 glasses. Well, it turns out there are many ways to break a glass. Of course, he did not break all the 46 glasses at a time. At different times, in different ways, he might have broken. Here we see a naughty Ivan swinging with tubes and then busy doing something. Every weekend, Mac and Helen drove me to a restaurant where they ordered something for me. So, Mac and his wife did not keep him only inside the house, they also took him out, especially weekend outing to the restaurant. I went to baseball games, to the grocery store, to a movie theater, even to the circus. See how many outings he is having in a week. He went for baseball games. He also went to the grocery store along with Mac, to the movie theater with his family, and even to the circus. In the circus, why did he go? Because they didn't have a gorilla. And what did he do in the circus? He rode a little motorbike and blew out candles on a birthday cake. So little bit tricks that he was doing in order to entertain the people. My life as a human was an exciting one, although my parents would not have approved. What does he mean by this? His life as a human being was an exciting one because he was going out, he was going to restaurant, he was going for games, he was going to the circus, he was doing different things in a day and which was exciting for him. But for his parents, they would not have approved it. Why? Because that was not the life meant by a gorilla to be lived. They will only approve the life which is in the wild. But here he does what the human beings are doing. That's why they would not have approved this type of life. See, Ivan in the circus. Here another busy Ivan we see painting and looking at us very curiously. The next heading, hunger. In my new life as a human, I was well taken care of. Of course, Ivan lacked nothing. He was very well taken care by Mac and his wife. Yet, at night, lying alone in my pajamas, I longed for the cheerful grunts of a play fight and the easy safety of my nearby troop. Ivan was missing something in his life. What was he missing? He was missing the cheerful grunts of a play fight. Means whenever Tag and Matt in his early life they used to play on his father, and his father used to give a cheerful grunt, and the safety and security and the happiness of his life with the family, all those things he was missing very much. And when was he thinking? When he was lying on the bed at night alone, and he used to miss his family very much. It is very natural for a gorilla to think about his family because he is here all alone. Remember what happened to Tag? I told myself, don't think about the jungle. Now, what did he do? As a prudent gorilla, he remembered in his life once more what happened to Tag, and he affirmed himself, don't think about the jungle because he will be losing his life. So he reminded himself not to think about the jungle but to go ahead with the present life. Now here we see how Ivan was taken care by the human beings. Still, sometimes I lay awake wishing for the warmth of another just like me, which means whenever he thinks of his life, he wished to have someone like him once more, a companion for him to enjoy with him or to share with him something or to play with him, because he was living with human beings. He cannot share his feelings even though he was given everything, and that was the greatest thing that he was missing in his life. He wanted a companion for him. So here the lesson gets over. This is the footnote. Later, Ivan is sent to a shopping mall where he becomes a part of a stationary circus. So later in his life, he was sent to the shopping mall and he becomes part of the stationary circus, which means it was not moving. It was permanently there and he was there. Here he becomes used to humans watching him all the time, because in the mall when he used to be there, the mall used to be surrounded by people and everyone used to watch him, and he hardly ever thinks of the jungle, and of course he forgot the life of jungle and hardly he thinks of the jungle life. To know more about Ivan and what happens to him, read the complete novel, The One and Only Ivan. So children, with this we have completed our first lesson. Here we can see how he is feeling about how he is missing his family, his full family, and especially his father. And the later part of his life, he was put in the mall, and how he was put in the cage in the stationary circus. And of course, it was not a happy life, but Ivan had no other choice. So that was his life. And later, what happened in the novel, we can read and know the full story. So here we finish the first lesson. Activity: underline and learn the meanings of swamped, stationary, warmth, cheerful, approved, grocery, attempt, lamp fixture. In the next class, we shall go through the question answers and other exercises. Stay at home and learn easily. Thank you.